What's good, music producers? It's Curtis King of SlapExperts.com, and today I'm going to show the producers out there who have desires to make their own graphic design 3D art box for your sound packs, for your courses. I'm going to show you how to do that using only 2 websites. Super easy. Even if you have no prior knowledge of graphic design, you're going to love this. Let's talk about it. Music producers, I'm not sure if you already knew this, but every single design that you see at SlapExperts.com, my sound design company, has been created by either myself or my assistant using this system that I'm going to show you today. We've been able to come up with some really eye-popping concepts because websites like the first one that we're going to be talking about, Canva.com, have made it so easy because they literally have brought together the best graphic designers in the world to create templates for whatever kind of post you're trying to make. You're going to make an Instagram post, they have a template for that. You're making an Insta story post, they got a template for that. A Twitch banner, they have a template for that. Pretty much anything that requires you to hire a graphic designer, hire your damn self and get on Canva.com. So for me, this easily became a replacement for Photoshop because I'm just not a graphic designer by trade. That's the first website. The second website, we got a design. What are we going to slap it on? Well, we slap it on these 3D box mockups that are provided to you by MediaModifier.com. Super easy. If you know how to upload, this website is your best friend because not only does it have mockups for the 3D boxes we're going to do today, but you can do it if you have an app or a magazine or an ebook. You can use this as the place to mock up all this stuff. It blows my mind that more people don't know about this, but you know about it today, and we're going to get to cooking. So first things first, we need to work this thing from the end to the beginning. And what do I mean? We need to make sure we match the dimensions of the box that it asks us to match to a new Canva file because we're going to make a custom dimension. Now, we need to design first the front cover. Let's do that. That is 989 by 1335 px. So, 989 1335. Let me double check it. Boom. So this will be the front design that we're going to go ahead and take care of. First thing that I like to do, let's give it a title. Let's call this the Schmack Pack. Here on the left side, you're going to see the templates that I was talking about earlier that kind of give you a foundation to work with. If you don't believe that I use it, look at this template right here and see if you don't recognize that. Yes, we use that template here to build out my latest pack. And then just put all the proper information for the sound design company to replace that. But we use those. Let's use this template right here. I think this kind of pops out. The goal is to use artwork that looks good in this large scale because once it comes here to the 3D box, it's going to shrink up. So you don't want to pick things with really, really hard to read text and fonts. The dope thing about the fact that graphic designers have done this for us, I'm just deleting this, is the fact that all we have to do is just replace the words. So let's call it the Schmack Sound Pack. Boom. Now, this lion doesn't really have anything to do with it, so let's click on the lion and push delete. And we're going to go here to the Elements tab. And see, we even have some hands here. Let's go ahead and put hand. I like that. Let's use this. Okay. I think that'll look good once it goes in a 3D box. Next, we want to add our logo. Now, typically, you'd have to go ahead and upload this right here by using this upload box. But because I have it saved in another file, I'm going to go ahead and just Control C, and it'll paste right there over the top. The dope thing about Canva, it gives you these guidelines, these pink guidelines that tell you whether your image is centered and is symmetrical according to the rest of the images and the font that's on the page. Boom. Now that's done. Well, let me actually add this last little logo. Control C and put it there. Something else that's super dope is that, say for instance, I wanted to add my face. Click here, go to Effects, they have a background remover that enables me to do just that. Boom. Now, this don't need my face on the front of it, but I wanted to show you that it can do that. So the front part is done. Let's actually make this logo just a little bit smaller and make this probably just a little bit bigger. You don't want to change too much of the template because, like I said, it's already been proven to be something that a graphic designer would go ahead and work around with, and it just already looks good together. So let's click download, save it as a PNG, which is the highest quality, and then we'll put smack pack and put front. Now let's go here to the 3D box here on Media Modifier, front design, upload your image, boom. Click done. Now we got the front. Super dope. Okay, now we need a side image. We don't need it. I mean, we could kind of come over here and change things if we wanted. We could actually change the box color and do some things like that if we wanted, but we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is we are going to make a side design, 337. Let's go here back to the Canva, 337 by 1335. We're going to make this super easy by titling it Smack Pack Side, and then copying elements of this that already work. Copy that color. Boom, now we have the color. Let's copy the logo. Rotate it 90 degrees so that it looks good from the side of this. Boom. Next, might want to take this schmack right here. Maybe even take the whole thing. Let's just see what that looks like. And I'm holding down Shift as I'm clicking on every one of these. I can even group them together. Then push Control C. And all of a sudden we got the schmack pack. 90 degrees once again. And then here I could even take this and make this a little bit smaller. Cool. Let's go ahead and save that as a PNG once again. Now let's open this up, get the side design. We got our pack and it's done. Now, a few things you want to pay attention to here on Media Modifier. One, if you click this, there's a little highlight effect that it adds to really give it that three-dimensional effect. I usually leave that on. The next thing, you could change the box color if you wanted to. I mean, it's not necessary because we already have the whole thing covered up. The next thing, you see the shadow underneath here. We can turn that on or off. It really depends on what you're selling it on. If you're selling it on BeatStars or Airbit or you're selling it on Shopify, you want to make sure that you have the option to not have it if necessary, or you can save it in two different formats. So I'm going to keep the shadow on. Background color, I typically take the background color off because I may shift it around back in Canva, but I don't want to commit it to a background because then I got to go delete it later. So leave that there, save it as a PNG, and then I download the image. Now let's go ahead and preview what that looks like. Boom. And there it is. So let's discuss the pricing. First off, Canva, I'm right now on the $12.95 per month plan. It gets pretty much everything that I need. And then pricing for Media Modifier, I'm using the $19 per month. If you want to get more information, just go down to the description below. There's 2 links, both affiliate links. I got to make sure I let you know that. And if you want to sign up, hit those links below, get the information you need. And if you have any other questions, let me know and I'll make more videos. I'll definitely be making more Canva videos in the future. But it's just that easy, and you don't need to have crazy graphic design skills in order to do that. And the more you do it, the better you'll get. So if you enjoyed today's video, definitely like the video, leave a comment, subscribe, share with a friend that may need this. And like I always say, in this life, you would not be full of life until you decide to live life to its fullest. Once again, it's Curtis King of SlapExperts.com. Have a good one. Peace. Look up, Nazi. Say cheese.